cleaning, eh? Hello? Yes? Oh, hi, how are you? Yeah? Merry Christmas. Clothes? I didn't drop any clothes. No. I don't have any dry cleaning to pick up. You sure? That's weird. What do you mean it's that time of the year? What? Christmas? I don't, so, I don't understand. I just come down there and get my clothes. They're ready. I didn't drop any clothes. I'll understand when I see them. Special Christmas. That's all I need to know. What? Oh, you're sending them over. You're sending the clothes, the dry clean clothes over. Should be there in a minute. What clothes? I'll understand when I see them. Okay. I mean, I'm confused, but you seem sure. Okay. No. Okay. Oh, Merry Christmas to you too. Thank you. Coming. What? There's no one out there. What is it? Merry Christmas, guys, from Recipes and More. I just finished cooking and apparently I am Santa. I'm gonna go out and do my night job, deliver gifts all around the world to all the good kids. So you be good as well. And next year I will come by with your good gifts. But until then, keep watching, keep enjoying Recipes and More. And in 2021, I will have a lot more good recipes for you. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. With love, Santa. Hi, from Recipes and More. I got the gifts for the kids, don't tell them. And if you're a good follower, I got some good gifts for you. I got some fresh organic blueberries. I have some ripe tomatoes. Very nice Brussels sprouts. Be a good follower next year. Eat healthy, a lot of fresh vegetables, and we're gonna make a lot of recipes, and I will share my secret recipes with you. From Santa, recipes and more, straight to your house. 2021 is gonna be huge. Merry Christmas.